What if I told you that sweating isn't just your body reacting to heat? It's actually a life-saving biological system that evolved to keep you alive. In fact, without sweat, humans wouldn't survive intense heat, long-distance running, or even basic exercise. So why does your body start sweating the moment it gets hot, or you begin to work out? And what's really happening inside your body at the cellular level? Let's break it down from a biological and scientific perspective. Sweat is not a weakness. Most people think sweating means your body is overheating or failing. But biologically, sweat is a sign your body is working perfectly. Humans are actually one of the best endurance species on Earth. Not because we're fast, but because we can cool ourselves better than almost any animal. The secret weapon? Sweat glands. Unlike dogs that pant or animals that rely on shade, humans cool down by evaporating water directly from the skin, and that's incredibly efficient. The biological trigger. Sweating begins in a part of your brain called the hypothalamus. Think of it as your body's internal thermostat. When your core body temperature rises, whether from heat or exercise, special temperature-sensitive neurons detect the change. Once your body crosses a critical threshold, usually around 37 to 38 degrees Celsius, 98.6 to 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, the hypothalamus sends electrical signals through the nervous system. Those signals activate eccrine sweat glands, which are spread across your skin. Within seconds, sweat begins to form. What sweat really does. Here's the important part. Sweat itself does not cool your body. Evaporation does. As sweat reaches the skin surface and turns from liquid into vapor, it pulls heat away from your body. This process is called evaporative cooling, and it's one of the most efficient heat loss mechanisms in biology. That's why sweating works best in dry environments, and why humid conditions feel unbearable. When sweat can't evaporate, your body struggles to cool down. Why you sweat more during exercise. During exercise, your muscles burn fuel to produce energy. But here's the catch. Over 70% of that energy becomes heat, not movement. As muscle activity increases, heat builds up rapidly inside your body. To prevent dangerous overheating, your brain increases sweat production, sometimes producing over 1 liter of sweat per hour. This is why endurance athletes sweat so heavily. Their bodies are constantly dumping heat to stay alive. Sweat is an evolutionary advantage. From an evolutionary standpoint, sweating gave humans a massive advantage. Early humans could hunt prey for hours under the sun while animals overheated. Sweating allowed us to run longer, think clearly, and survive extreme environments. So the next time you're dripping with sweat, remember this. Your body isn't failing. It's performing one of the most advanced cooling systems in nature. Sweat isn't gross. It's biological brilliance. And it's one of the reasons humans dominate the planet.